say something.
What should I say?
I don't know. Today we're going to shell corn.
Today we're shelling corn so we can get it planted before it rains. It's been really rainy the last while. And it looks like it might rain some more today, so I figured if we could get some planted, then it would like the rain.
I think it was sprinkling when I came out.
This is corn that we got from last year. I put it in a feed bag, put some diatomaceous earth in with it. Try to keep the bugs out. Made it look a little ugly, but I don't see any bugs in it. So, that seems to have worked well. We got some popcorn and then some, it's some kind of sweet corn. I'm not sure what it is.
Sweet corn, I
Some
think.
kind of heirloom corn. Our chickens like when we add this in with their feed.
Daddy, I need some more. Daddy, I need some more.
That's all we got.
Okay.
Woodpecker?
Hmm.
There's a pileated woodpecker flying around over there. Can you grind this up for cornmeal?
Okay.
We could.
With what?
Grinder?
We don't got a grinder.
We don't have a grinder? Maybe we should get a grinder. Yeah, that's probably enough.